Hello everyone. Today, I will guide you on how to back up Windows into an ISO file. I will back up the C drive, which is the Windows drive, to the D drive for storage. You need to ensure that the D drive is large enough to contain the C drive's data. Now, I will enter WinRE. Hold Shift and click Restart. Select Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Command Prompt. Type Notepad. Select File, Open. You can see that my D drive, which contains my data, has now become the C drive, and my C drive containing Windows is now the D drive. Now, I need to capture the D drive into the C drive. Enter the command shown on the screen. So, I have successfully captured the file. Now, I will boot into Windows to create the ISO file. Now, I will open the D drive to check if the file is there. You can see that the install.wim file has been created. Now, I will use a completely free tool called AnyBurn to modify the ISO file. Select Edit Image File. Select the original Windows ISO file. Go to Sources folder. Find the install.wim file and remove it. Click Add and browse to the install.wim file we just captured. Click Next. Name your file. Create now. So, I have successfully created the ISO file. You can see that the file has been created here. Now, you can delete the install.wim file. Now, I will restart the computer and reinstall Windows using this ISO file. I will select the correct ISO file. I will wipe all partitions related to Windows. You can see that I don't need to go through the Windows setup steps, but instead, I'm taken straight into Windows exactly as it was before. You can see that all my data and applications are still intact and functioning normally. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day.